Hello everyone, this is Gopichand from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I had created my first web page by using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a code which helps to make CSS properties like flux blocks and button tags. First of all, let's see about Bootstrap. Uh, this these are here. Bootstrap means this 4 lines code makes to unlock the all Bootstrap properties which are online for everyone. Just go to Google and search for bootstrap.com. Let us see some of the Bootstrap properties. Here, here button is equal to button class is equal to btn primary. Here primary means a set of color and which is linked from Bootstrap. Let us change it and see an other color. Let us give warning. Here warning means the color changed of the button changed to yellow color. Now let us see another one. Here the color changed to red. Like this, we have so many properties which are available in Bootstrap. Then let us see flux properties, fluxbox properties. Here fluxbox is an element. It is an Bootstrap property which makes us to make the text middle or start or end. Here for row elements, the rows are aligned from left to right, and the columns are aligned from top to bottom. Here if we give deflux flux row and justify content center, means it will the text all the text which is in that element comes to center, and all the next of all if we give justify content start, means it will be at the starting point of the row, and if we give justify content end, means the properties makes it to move end of the row. Next of all, in CSS, let's see about CSS here. Here CSS means we have to give the CSS properties, sectors, values, all these are kept in an HTML element called style. Here style tag, starting tag of the HTML set is here, and the ending tag is here. In between these we had given all the CSS properties which we want to develop in our output. Next in CSS we have 3 sections. First of all, this container is attribute value in HTML codes, and it is called as a CSS sector in CSS. And here background image background image is an CSS property, and after this all things comes under CSS value. CSS property value, and these all things are again given to this HTML code, which in terms of class. Here class means it is an attribute, and these attribute values are the subsets of CSS sectors. Next of all the CSS means text properties, style properties we have to give in the header section. In HTML we have to start with the doc type HTML, and then HTML, then head, and here head means in the head element we have to give all the CSS properties which we are going to give. Next, here head, here comes head, sorry body. Head is completed, now body. Here body, inside the body we have to give all the HTML what we are to design in the output of our web page. Here div, first of all let us see about div. Div means it acts as a container, means it keeps a set of elements together in a container, like h1 h2, this h1 h2 all are heading elements, but depending upon 1 2 3 values the sizes are changing. For example, here h1, let us give h1. Now see, the total big container, sorry, the main heading is changed to largest size. Let us give h3. See now, the total container heading is changed to smaller size. Now let us keep in the default size. Okay. Now h1 h2 tag is completed, h1 heading tags are completed. Now let us see about paragraph tag. Paragraph tags are written by two brackets which are less than and greater than. In between that we have to write p. P means paragraph. Then after that we have one more element called button. Button means this one. This is paragraph element and this is heading element. Okay. Like this we can give all the text here, and we have one more thing, that is here we have image. Image is an void element. Here every heading tag or div tag or p tag means paragraph tag, button tag have both the tags like starting tag and ending tag, but the image tag don't have like that. It is all set in only one, means it has only starting tag, which is also called void element. These are all normal elements: div tag, heading tag, button tag, p tag, and etc. Next of all, I had explained you on this. Like this I had given. Now this is the first page, and we have one more thing here, which is ID. ID is also an attribute, and section home is an attribute value. This all which comes under this to this, here to here, is all the first page code. Means I am giving that this all things have an unique ID which has unique identity. Means it is all set like we have Aadhaar card to each other, and this also had some property like this, which is ID. And I had given the second page like this, which is section yoga. Okay, this total section comes under section yoga, and here section home comes to here to here. And by clicking back once again I can go back, and clicking on get started I can go to the next page. It is all due to the attribute name on click. Means the syntax for on click is on click is equal to inverted double quotations inside display curly brackets, again single quotations. Next what we have to give ID value. Okay, this makes ID section to home, means this total first section is considered as section home, and all this on click means if we click on this get started button, then it displays the what we had given to its section yoga. Here I had given the second page as section yoga. Then if we click on click, it is directly projected to on click as a section view. Next, I had given the back element also, which I had given on click is equal to display section home. If I click this, then it is automatically equal to section home. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.